In this segment, I am going to show you how our room went from this to this. Hi, my name is Jane and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something just a little bit different. I am doing a collaboration with a new account I am creating content for called Nicolette's for the Home. Nicolette's for the Home is a retail home decor studio located in both Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island, New York. They also offer interior, kitchen, and bath design. And now they started to carry this fabulous jewelry. One of the designers helped me transform this 20-year-old room into my new filming / office / makeup area. We used family heirloom items, furniture I already had, and some pieces from their showroom. Let's start from the beginning. So this is what the room looked like before. It had a red burgundy color with scratches and some wallpaper, and it was a mess. Yes, some of that stuff is mine, and I'm not putting down the people who had this room before. This was the style 20 years ago. So I'm not judging, but I am judging this carpet. I mean, it's hideous. What is that? What kind of stain is that? I can't have that. It needs to go. So this is the room with the wallpaper stripped and the carpet taken out. As you could see, it wasn't an easy job. God bless my husband. So this is a couch I took from my mother's house after she passed, and it had this hideous plastic on it. Look how yellow it is. It's horrible. It actually changed the color of the couch. But then I took it, I mean, look at it, it's disgusting. I took it off and look at the deliciousness of this teal color. I mean, it's fabulous. So then I looked online for some inspiration on teal couches and what paint would go, and look at this great purple color. I never thought to use purple, but I love the way this looks, and I decided instead of the browns to add in some golds, and that was my inspiration. So first we put some primer on the wall because we were so afraid that the reddish burgundy color would bleed through. We put 2 coats of a color I found on Sherwin-Williams called Wood Violet. I think it looks really good because it's not a bright purple. It's kind of like on the grayish tone side. Then we incorporated these lovely curtains that had a little bit of the gold in it. I even have some bling on the rods. And then we put in new carpet. I mean, it's looking good already. Look how lovely this carpet is. So now it's time to see the room pulled together. So here is the couch in all its glory. The beautiful teal color. And these pillows with the pattern were made out of a material that I found underneath the cushion. My dad was a tailor, and I think he intended on making the pillows and never got around to it or forgot about it. So I just had them custom made, matched them up with a fluffy pillow. I got this lamp. I already had it. I thought the gold matched perfect. My husband built these shelves for me. It has all old cameras on it. My signed Stevie Nicks picture. This is a Polaroid camera my parents bought right after I was born because I found the receipt. And they also had an old projector camera. And these are all other old first digital cameras. There's a film camera. And this light was something that I found with the Polaroid camera. It's an external light, and I tried to use it, but it started to smoke, so now it's just for show. And I have my Laurie Cabot picture that I took with me. And these are 2 more shelves. and one of them houses this lovely retro clock I got from Nicolette's for the Home. Picture of Sammy, my champagne glass, my initial just in case I forget who I am. And I have this filing cabinet I think I got from Wayfair, and it had silver handles, so I just bought gold handles from Etsy to match. That's a little gold trash can I got from Target. And then this is the desk that I already had, and a pink chair. I got a gold lamp from my other job. I didn't steal it, they said I could take it. And my little mirrored holder for my stuff and my things. And then of course, this is where the magic happens. Hope you can't see me in the reflection because I look hideous today. And above that is pictures of my wedding dress, my wedding shoes I put together, and this great sign that I thought was perfect. And then I have this lighted moon, and I'm just gonna stop this for a second so I can light it. So this is the light lit. I just wasn't sure if it would give me some backlight, which it hasn't, so it looks like. These are the beautiful curtains, which I will turn on the external light so you can see a little more. The beautiful pattern, the little bling bling brackets. Let me just turn this light off real quick. And then we have this gorgeous vanity, which is really just a table from West Elm, but my friends were getting rid of it and I just made a vanity out of it. Put a little mirror, all my makeup stuff, and then this vase next to it is from Nicolette's for the Home, but they don't have it anymore, but it is filled with some of their flowers that they sell. And there's a picture of my dad for my bouquet from my wedding. I don't know if it's focusing in on it. Kind of blurry, but I don't want to let go of my external light so you could see it. I'm having a lot of technical difficulties filming this room, but here is the vanity. And I also have this lovely stool from Nicolette's for the Home, and it's nice and fuzzy and retro, and the top comes off and there is storage inside, which I love, which I can't demonstrate because again I don't want to drop this light again. And that's a chair that I actually had from my mom's house, also from like the 60s. Nice intricate detailing on it. I thought it fit the room with the gold color. It also had plastic on it, so it really looked dingy, and when I took it off, that's just looks amazing, and that's why it's in such good condition. And then I got this lovely light up vanity, which I'm not gonna light up because I don't want to drop my light again. And I always wanted this to have, because I wanted a little hair station, so there's a little shelf there with the hair stuff. And then I have this lovely marble table with gold detailing that I got from Nicolette's for the Home, and a sign from them that is perfect as well. And then I also want to show this lovely chandelier. I hope it's getting picked up. That was given to me by someone who is getting rid of it, and I love it. Right over my vanity. And then on this side, past the closet, is a matching table, a different size of the other one from Nicolette's for the Home, that I just put my lighted candles on, some other little tchotchkes, a lamp. And I want to take a moment to talk about the carpet that we chose. I originally wanted to do a gray carpet, but the designer suggested that I do like a light neutral gold. I mean, it's very, very light gold. It's almost like a beigey gold. And I'm glad I listened because it looks less dingy. And yes, believe it or not, it was vacuumed yesterday, but you know, I have a dog. So that is it. I love my new space. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel,
And in the description box below, I put a link to the Nicolettes for the Home channel. So go over there and give them some love.